Liberty, don't play with Gypsy. This is Saturday, July 20th. Liberty has been in learning how to swim. She's been in 2 or 3 times. She's not a big fan yet, but she knows how to swim. So we thought we'd put her out here with a bunch of dogs that do know how to swim and see what happens. Maybe she'll find it a little bit more interesting. Go on, Reno, get the ball. Problem is she keeps trying to play with Gypsy. That's the one she doesn't want to play with. Liberty, knock it off. So we have Dooley back there, and Liberty, and Gypsy, Blaze, and Reno. And those are our dogs, Gypsy, Blaze, and Reno.